What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the practice of designing and optimizing the inputs, or prompts, given to artificial intelligence, AI models, like ChatGPT, to get the most useful or accurate results. Imagine you're asking a question or giving instructions to an AI system. The way you phrase your request can significantly impact how well the AI responds. In the same way that carefully crafting a research question when searching for information for a school project is key to our finding the most relevant and useful supporting information, prompt engineering can be thought of as the art of fine-tuning the questions or commands we provide to AI models in order to optimize their performance and guarantee that they produce the desired results we're looking for. Well-designed prompts can bring about meaningful, informative responses, but a badly constructed prompt can result in irrelevant or even illogical responses. A successful prompt engineer is someone who can ask a great critical question and then carefully evaluate the response. To help us better understand how to craft a strong prompt for AI models, let's look at a framework developed by Leo S. Lowe, a professor at the University of New Mexico's College of University Libraries and Learning Sciences. It's called the CLEAR framework. C stands for concise, L stands for logical, E stands for explicit, A stands for adaptive, R stands for reflective. Let's break the framework down. Concision is all about keeping prompts brief and clear. You want the AI model to focus on the most important aspects of the task you're asking it to do. So be sure to remove any unnecessary wording in your prompt. For example, use imperative, command verbs at the beginning of your prompt to reduce the amount of superfluous information. Instead of, "Can you provide me with a detailed explanation of the process of obtaining a passport?" use a more concise and explicit prompt like, "Explain the process of obtaining a passport." Logical is all about ensuring your prompts are well structured and the order of ideas makes sense so that the AI model can understand the relationships between the concepts you're inquiring about. A logically structured prompt could read, "List the steps to bake a chocolate cake," beginning with a list of ingredients and ending with decorating the finished cake. Explicit is all about providing very clear instructions in your prompts for the specific output, in terms of format, content, and scope, you want from the AI model. Instead of, "Tell me about global warming," try, "Provide a concise overview of global warming," emphasizing its causes, consequences, and solutions. Adaptive is all about being flexible in your prompt writing. It may be necessary to experiment with various prompt formulations and phrasings, tweaking your questions based on the AI model's responses. If, for instance, you ask, "What are some ways to save money?" and the response you get is generic, adapt and try something more targeted, such as list ways to save money as a college student on a budget. Reflective is all about the need to continuously evaluate your prompt engineering techniques. It's important to adopt a reflective perspective on the AI model's output, how your prompt writing can improve, and how you can adjust your approach as the technology evolves and your skills develop. For example, after acquiring an AI-generated list of strategies for creating work-life balance in the workplace, evaluate the relevance and applicability of each strategy. Consider your target audience's needs and your communication objectives, and use this information to refine future prompts to generate content that better addresses those needs and objectives. Try applying the CLEAR framework the next time you're crafting a great question to ask ChatGPT or other AI models. Chances are, you'll get much more relevant, interesting, and useful responses.